A warm welcome and good morning. On behalf of AWS and Economic Times, I would like to thank you all for taking time out and being here with us for the Economic Times NBFC Summit 2022. Hope all of you are doing fine and staying safe during these unprecedented times. This new normal has thrown many challenges for all of us. With any challenge, there comes an opportunity too. That's the way I see it. This crisis also presents us with an opportunity to build resilience and innovate to propel and grow our businesses during and post COVID 19. In my keynote, I'll address the importance of digitization to be resilient in the face of crisis and innovate for the future, and how digitization, innovation, and cloud go hand in hand. With that, let me quickly move on to my keynote for today. Atmanirbhar Bharat has been one of the key visions of modern India. The key to Atmanirbhar Bharat is financial independence. In order to achieve financial independence, we need the citizens of India to have access to financial products and services that can help them realize their personal and professional goals. I would like to thank the NBFC community for their immense contribution to the Indian economy and the Atmanirbhar vision. NBFCs are an important pillar of the Indian financial system and have very quickly emerged as an alternative to mainstream banking. NBFCs have contributed to infrastructure, transportation, employment generation, and wealth creation, and have kept pace with the rapid changes in the market environment. NBFCs like you all are accelerating adoption of digital first strategies and services, which will ensure that you are able to serve all demographics of Indian consumer. The mobile and digital savvy millennial population have been constantly creating huge demand across four primary financial products: payments, savings, credits, and insurance. According to the Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development, by 2030, approximately 66% of the population in Asia, including India, will be considered as middle class, adding 1.5 billion people who will be in need of financial services from SMBs and microfinance institutions. So India's NBFCs thus have plenty of opportunities to leverage technology to serve these consumers and businesses with digital capabilities. While there is great opportunity in this segment, there are also unique challenges. For instance, managing credit risk, given the high risk profiles of the end customer and keeping non-performing assets under check. Lowering the high operating costs associated with traditional channels of customer onboarding, collections, and even distribution. Last but not the least, early detection and prevention of fraud, especially as businesses involve large volumes with relatively smaller ticket size. Cloud is a great enabler to take advantage of the opportunity while addressing these challenges with technology. That is why increasingly more and more FSIs of all types and sizes are adopting cloud technologies as it is enabling financial institutions to provide services with speed and scale, with agile and iterative approach, which will be the critical differentiator for them to succeed in this hyper competitive market. While on the screen, you can see a short list of customers driving innovation and customer delight using AWS cloud platforms and services. I'd like to draw your attention to the column on the right, which enlists all the familiar logos in the audience today. We at AWS are extremely privileged to be enabling these NBFCs in their mission of Atmanirbhar Bharat. And in this new normal, we are enabling digitization through cloud technologies. As digitization is a key differentiator for financial institutions. NBFCs can innovate and digitize rapidly to serve their customers better by transitioning and transforming from traditional IT infrastructure to better, safer, faster, and agile AWS cloud infrastructure in a much better cost envelope. NBFCs are increasingly turning to cloud technologies to solve their business challenges, along with improving agility, scalability, and resiliency for their businesses as they serve the next wave of digitally savvy customers. We have seen several AWS customers adopting technology strategy that uniquely suits their business needs. By and large, these strategies can be divided in three different buckets: modernization, insights, and innovation. The modernization of IT infrastructure ensures that organizations like you can take advantage of the latest and greatest technology capabilities to deliver services that are faster, better, and cheaper. As data is a new currency, it is not only important to manage data well, it is important to leverage that data to create insights which will help in positive digital first customer experience. Lastly, but the most important is to ensure that we keep innovating in our business approach by launching new products and services for all segments in the marketplace. AWS, with its cloud offerings, helps to drive innovation by experimenting often and failing fast. Finally, when FSIs establish good cloud operating model, they start de-risking their business. You can take advantage of over 200 plus AWS services, which can help you in multiple use cases ranging from operational resilience to AI ML to fraud prevention and detection. Therefore, you all have an opportunity to leapfrog businesses by making cloud technologies an integral part of your digital first, innovation led transformation agenda to your organization. As I mentioned, every FSI has a unique journey on AWS. In the next few minutes, I will explore few examples of digitization, modernization, and insight strategies that customers are leveraging to grow their businesses. First up, Bajaj Housing Finance, a part of Bajaj Finserv Group, exited their data center, leveraging a mix of infrastructure service, software service, and platform as a service offerings from AWS to host business applications and data warehouse both on AWS. Their core platform is Pennant, an ISV solution which is part of the AWS partner network. Leading with a data strategy which enables them to understand customers better as well as get insights into their operations to take real-time business decision has helped Madhuram Microfinance. Madhura Microfinance serves small vendors in south of India. They deployed a data lake on AWS and used Redshift to improve data efficiency for credit scoring as well as collections. Madhura Microfinance was able to achieve 50% YOY growth consistently for past 3 years. Another interesting example is that of fast-growing Indian fintech company Credit B. Credit B is in the business of assessing loan eligibility for students and self-employed users as well as newly banked individuals. Given the new normal where people cannot move freely, Credit B had to reinvent the eligibility assessment process to enable 100% remote identity verification. A remote methodology also increases the risk of fraud and security breaches. Credit B turned to cloud services for solving this. And thanks to their app built on AWS, they are now able to do end-to-end customer confirmation of an applicant's identity digitally and remotely. Powered by this innovation, they managed to increase the monthly loan disbursement by 25x over the past year, with zero reported security breaches or fraud. Credit Vidya has been running its AI and ML platform, Medas, on AWS since day one. Medas leverages payment data, financial behavioral data, and device data stored on smartphones to help determine loan applicants' ability and intent to repay loans. With AWS, Medas has scaled to support 10 times more daily loan applications, building data lakes holding 250 to 500 terabytes to analyze loan performance. As you can see, what is common to all of them is the way they adopted AWS Cloud as a core to their business strategy, drove innovation and reinvention, resulted resulting in exponential growth. We in AWS have been able to do this as we've been the pioneer and front runner in providing cloud services to customers, big and small, across the world for years together now. Customers have selected AWS for years because we have proven time in and time again that we are customer obsessed and committed to their success, making us the leading cloud platform. Our ability to listen to our customers and innovate has been one of the reasons why we are growing faster than any other IT enterprise in history. The virtue of this experience has enabled us to build the broadest and the deepest cloud portfolio that we keep innovating on a daily basis. Our innovation stems from the learnings we gather from our millions of customers and thousands of partners globally. We are innovating at an agile and unmatched pace that continues to accelerate every year, allowing you to take advantage of the latest technologies and automation to deliver value for your business. We place the utmost priority on security. We provide complete support for enterprise level security requirements than any other cloud provider. Our core infrastructure is built to satisfy the security requirements for highly sensitive organizations like military and global banks and financial institutions. We've been able to deliver all these thanks to 15 plus years of experience of supporting customer innovation in the cloud and the millions of active customers around the world running a wide variety of use cases on AWS. In conclusion, there has never been a better time to experiment and iterate on new ideas and drive innovation in your business. So let's partner to invent something our customers will love. Thank you and have a great day.